First, let's have a look at the light L sound, as in lime. A light L is whenever the L sound goes into a vowel, like let or light. To make the light L sound, the tip of the tongue touches behind the top teeth and then comes down. L. And now on to dark L. To make the dark L sound, the tip of the tongue comes up so that the tongue is bowl-shaped and touches behind the top teeth. A dark L comes after the vowel, usually at the end of the word. Some students may find it more difficult to make the dark L sound. Here is a simple technique. Imagine a dot on the tip of your tongue and another just behind your teeth. Now make the O sound and bring the two dots together. Your tongue becomes like a bell shape. Now try with a like O, and you get the dark L. O, candle, apple. Practice alongside the recording, and you can repeat each unit after me whenever you hear a pause. Allow, glad, college, blog, letter, spell, tell, bell, smile, 12, plastic, hollow, blood, clumsy, club, metal, settle, cattle, vital, kindly, candle, paddle. Some phrases now. Play golf, a long list, believe in love, little by little, legitimate complaint, logical conclusion. Let's take a look. Mental hospital, in the middle, handle gently, a deep puddle, please leave me alone. I slept well last night. When life hands you a lemon, make lemonade. She looked supple and elegant in her black Chanel jacket. After writing 11 letters, she fell asleep, and Kelly Lewis dropped the pen, spilling ink all over her large yellow chaise longue. Tony Blair's larynx was affected by the large amounts of lemons he used to swallow prior to delivering a speech. Live life to the full, that's what they always tell me. But when I say I'd like to have a thrill-seeking adventure, like flying in a hot air balloon, they laugh. Some verses now to nail the sound forever. Luke Lock likes lakes. Luke's dog likes lakes. Luke Lock swims in lakes. Luke's dog looks at lakes. The dog takes a swim in lakes Luke Lock likes. Luke Lock takes his dog in lakes dogs like. The nightingale told his tale in his own melodious way. The lowly vale for the mountain vainly sighed. To his humble wail the echoing hills replied.